Surah Yasin. This surah is Meccan, containing 5 sections and 83 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ياسين
Yasin.
والقرآن الحكيم.
By the wise Quran.
إنك لمن المرسلين.
Undoubtedly, you are from the messengers.
على صراط مستقيم.
Upon the straight path.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
This is revelation from the most exalted, the most merciful.
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون.
That you may warn the nation whose forefathers were not warned, due to which they are in heedlessness.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Certainly the decree has been established for most of them, so they will not embrace faith.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
We have placed shackles around their necks reaching the chins, so their heads are raised.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون.
We made a barrier in front of them and a barrier behind them. Then we covered them from above, so they do not see anything.
وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
And it is the same to them whether you warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
You only warn one who follows advice and fears the infinitely gracious without seeing. So give him glad tidings of forgiveness and a noble reward.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
We will resurrect the dead, and we record that which they have sent forth and the traces they have left behind. And we have counted everything in a clear record.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
And relate to them the example of the city folk when the messengers came to them.
إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون.
When we sent 2 messengers to them, then they denied them. So we strengthened them with a third. Then they said, Indeed, we have been sent to you.
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون.
They said, "You are only humans like us, and the infinitely gracious did not reveal anything. You are only lying."
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون.
They, i.e., the messengers said, "Our Lord knows that indeed we have certainly been sent to you.
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
And it is only incumbent upon us to convey clearly."
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
They said, "We consider you to be ill-fated. If you do not refrain, we shall most definitely stone you, and you will most certainly suffer excruciating torture from us."
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
They, the messengers, said, "Your misfortune is with you. Is it because you have been given counsel? Rather, you are people who exceed the limit."
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
And a man came running from the outskirts of the city. He said, "O my nation, follow these messengers.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون."
Follow those who do not seek reward from you and are rightly guided.
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
And why should I not worship the one who created me, and to whom you will be returned?
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
Should I take gods other than him whose intercession will not avail me at all, and who will not be able to save me if the infinitely gracious wants to harm me?
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين.
Then I would be in clear misguidance.
إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون.
Indeed, I have believed in your Lord Allah, so listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
It was said to him, "Enter paradise." He said, "Would that my nation knew."
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
How my Lord granted me forgiveness and included me among the esteemed.
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
And we did not send down an army from the sky against his nation after him, nor were we about to send down an army there.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون.
It was only a single piercing cry, so they became extinguished.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And it was said, Alas for the people! A messenger did not come to them except that they mocked him.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Did they not see how many nations we have destroyed before them? They will not return to them.
وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
And all of them, every single one, will be presented in our court.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون.
A sign for them is the dead land, which we revived, and brought forth grain from it, so they eat from it.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون.
And we made gardens of date palms and grapevines therein, and we caused springs to gush forth therein.
ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
So that they may eat its fruits and their hands did not make them. So will they not express gratitude?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Pure is he who created all pairs from that which the earth brings forth, and from people themselves, and from that which they do not know.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
A sign for them is the night. We draw forth from it the day, hence they are left in darkness.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
And the sun will travel its course. This is the decree of the Almighty, the All-Knowing.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
And we have specified phases for the moon until it becomes like an old date stalk.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
It does not benefit the sun to reach the moon, nor will the night surpass the day, and each of them is floating in an orbit.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
And a sign for them is that we made their offspring board a fully laden ark.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And we created for them ships like it which they board.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون.
And if we want, we can cause them to drown. There would be no helper for them, nor would they be saved.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
Accept mercy from us, and taking benefit for some time.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون.
It is said to them, fear that which is in front of you, and that which is behind you, that you may receive mercy.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
And there does not come to them a sign from the signs of their Lord, except that they turn away from it.
وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, spend in charity from that which Allah has provided you, the disbelievers say to the Muslims, should we feed the one whom if Allah willed he would have fed? You are only in clear misguidance.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass if you are truthful?
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
They are only waiting for a piercing cry, which will seize them while they are disputing.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
So they will not be able to make a will, nor return to their kin.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
The horn will be blown. Then they will rise from their graves rushing forth towards their Lord.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
They will say, woe to us! Who has awakened us from our sleep? This is what the infinitely gracious had promised us, and the messengers had spoken the truth.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
It will only be a single piercing cry, then all of them shall be presented in our court.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
So this day no life shall be wronged, and you will only be recompensed for your deeds.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Indeed, this day the people of paradise will be enjoying pleasant experiences.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their wives shall be in the shade reclining upon thrones.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
There will be fruit for them therein, and they will have whatever they request.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Peace, a word from the most merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
Stand aside this day, O evildoers.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Did I not take an oath from you, O children of Adam, that you do not worship Satan? Certainly he is your open enemy.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
And that you worship me. This is the straight path.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
He has led much of creation from among you astray. Did you not understand?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
This is the hell which you were warned about.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Enter it this day due to your disbelief.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
This day we shall seal their mouths and their hands will speak to us, and their feet will bear witness to their deeds.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون.
Had we willed, we would have erased their eyes, then they would have hastened towards the path. So how would they see?
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
And had we willed, we would have changed their faces in their abodes, so they would neither be able to proceed nor return.
ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون.
To whomsoever we grant a long life, we reverse him in form. Did they not understand?
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين.
And we did not teach him poetry, nor does it befit him. It is only advice and an illuminating book.
لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين.
That he may warn every living individual, and the word may be established against the disbelievers.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون.
Did they not see that we created livestock for them with our hands, so they are their owners?
وذللناها لهم فمنها ركوبهم ومنها يأكلون.
So we made them submissive for them, So some are their conveyances and some they eat.
ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب أفلا يشكرون.
And for them there are benefits therein and drinks. Will they not show gratitude?
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون.
And they have taken gods other than Allah that perhaps they may be helped.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
Those gods are not able to help them, and the people themselves are troops in attendance for them.
فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
So do not let their statement grieve you. Surely we know that which they conceal and that which they reveal.
أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
And did man not see that we created him from a droplet? Then he became openly defiant.
وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم.
And he states an example for us and has forgotten his creation. He said, who gives life to bones when they have disintegrated?
قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Say, he will give them life who created them the very first time, and he knows every creation.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
It is he who made fire for you from a green tree, hence you kindle your fire from it.
أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم.
Is he who created the heavens and the earth not able to create their equivalent? Why not? And he is the supreme creator, the all-knowing.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
His decree is only this, that when he intends a matter, he says to it be, and it is.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
So pure is he, in whose hands is the control of all things, and to him you shall be returned.